Hello everyone, in this video, let's explore the process of creating your first API key. In the Login/Register page, select the Virtual Classroom API option and enter email and password. Click on the Create Domain button to create your first API domain. You'll see a pop-up, type the domain where you'll be launching the virtual classroom. Click Save to register your domain. You can always change the domain name without losing data. We recommend selecting a subdomain like live.liveclass.com or liveclass.mycompany.com. Do not use your main domain that starts with a www as your virtual classroom domain. All the other options are available under the Options column for the domain. Click the Generate API Key option to get started. Click the Generate button below the domain name to generate your API key. Save this API key securely and treat it like a password. You can always rotate your API keys every 3 months to be secure. Click on the Hostname and SSL certificate option under your domain to set up a custom hostname and SSL certificate. BrainCert provides a free 256-bit SSL cert for all API customers and a custom API endpoint such as shown in the video, so you can make API calls and launch classes under your own brand and control. By default, you can create only one domain. To create and manage multiple domains for your customers as a reseller, contact the BrainCert team. BrainCert, Education Simplified.